कर्मनिष्ठैर्न च समधिगतं जत्तपध्यान जोगैर्वैराग्यैस्त्यागस्तत्तस्तुतिभिरपि न जतकीर्तन चापि कैश्चित् गोविंद प्रेम भाजमपि न च कलितं जदरहस्यं स्वयं च नाम्नैव प्रादुरासीत् अवतरति परेदत्रतो नौमि गौरम। चैतन्य चंद्राय नमस्ते, चैतन्य चंद्राय नमस्ते, चैतन्य चंद्राय नमस्ते, चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः। चैतन्य चैतन्य आदिलीला त्रयोदश परिच्छेद चतुर्थी टेक्स्ट। जय जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य गौर चंद्र।
जय जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य गौर चंद्र।
जयाद्वैत चंद्र जयो जयो नित्यानंद।
जयाद्वैत चंद्र जयो जयो नित्यानंद।
जयो जयो गदाधर जयो श्रीनिवास।
जय 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 श्रीनिवास।
जय मुकुंद वासुदेव जय हरिदास।
जय मुकुंद वासुदेव जय हरिदास।
जय दामोदर स्वरूप जय मुरारी गुप्त।
जय दामोदर जय मुरारी गुप्त।
এই সব চন্দ্রদয়ী তম কৈল লুপ্ত।
এই সব চন্দ্রায়ে তম কৈল লুপ্ত।
জয় শ্রী চৈতন্য চন্দ্রের ভক্ত চন্দ্র গুণ।
জয় শ্রী চৈতন্য চন্দ্রের ভক্ত চন্দ্র গণ।
সবার প্রেম জ্যোৎস্নায় উজ্জ্বল ত্রিভুবন।
সবার প্রেম জ্যোৎস্নায় উজ্জ্বল ত্রিভুবন।
জয় জয় শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য গৌরচন্দ্র জয়াদ্বৈত চন্দ্র জয় জয় নিত্যানন্দ। অল গ্লোরিজ টু কৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য মহাপ্রভু, অল গ্লোরিজ টু অদ্বৈত চন্দ্র, অল গ্লোরিজ টু লর্ড নিত্যানন্দ প্রভু। জয় জয় গদাধর, জয় শ্রীনিবাস, জয় মুকুন্দ বাসুদেব, জয় হরিদাস। অল গ্লোরিজ টু গদাধর প্রভু, অল গ্লোরিজ টু শ্রীনিবাস আচার্য প্রভু, অল গ্লোরিজ টু মুকুন্দ প্রভু and Vasudev Prabhu, all glories to Haridas Thakur. জয় দামোদর স্বরূপ, জয় মুরারি গুপ্ত, এই সব চন্দ্রোদয় তম কৈল লুপ্ত। অল glories to Sri Swarup Damodar and Murari Gupta. All these brilliant moons are together dissipated the darkness of this material world. জয় শ্রী চৈতন্য চন্দ্রের ভক্ত চন্দ্রগণ সবার প্রেম জ্যোৎস্নায় উজ্জ্বল ত্রিভুবন। All goes to the moons who are devotees of the principal moon, Lord Chaitanya Chandra. Their bright moonshine illuminates the entire universe. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. In this verse we find the moon described as Chandragana, which is plural in number. This indicates that there are many moons. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord says, Nakshatra aham sasi. Among the stars, I am the moon. Bhagavad Gita 10:21. All the stars are like the moon. Western astronomers consider the stars to be the suns, but Vedic astronomers, following the Vedic scriptures, consider them moons. The sun has the ability to shine powerfully, and the moons reflect the sunshine and therefore look brilliant. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishna is described to be like the sun. The Supreme Powerful is the Supreme Personality Godhead Sri Krishna, or Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and his devotees are also bright and illuminating because they reflect the Supreme Sun. Chaitanya Charitamrita states, Krishna Surya Sama Maya Hoy Undhaka. Jahan Krishna, tahan nahi Maya Undhaka. Adhikar. Krishna is bright like the sun. As soon as the sun appears, there is no question of darkness or nascence. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila. Similarly, this verse also describes that by the illumination of the all moons, brightened by the reflection of the Krishna sun, or by the grace of all the devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the entire world will be illuminated despite the darkness of Kali Yuga. Only the devotees of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can dissipate the darkness of Kali Yuga, the ignorance of the population of the sages. No one else can do so. We therefore wish that all the devotees of the darkness of Krishna consciousness movement may reflect the Supreme Sun and thus dissipate darkness of the entire world. Should we, what you say, worthy to reflect this Supreme Sun? Now, not worthy, how can you reflect? How can you reflect? You cannot reflect, isn't it? Rahu Graha is there, doesn't reflect. Ketu Graha is there, doesn't reflect. Black. Black. So, unless you become worthy, how can you reflect this Supreme Sun, that Krishna, Chaitanya Chandra? This is most important. Therefore we should make mercy. We should make mercy of Chaitanya Chandra, also mercy of all moons, those who are their devotees of Chaitanya Chandra. Without their mercy, how can we develop that quality that will be worthy to reflect the Sun, Supreme Sun? So, this Kaviraj Goswami, in the beginning now, is glorifying this, the devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, begging their mercy. Without the mercy of such moons, they are devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the darkness cannot be dissipated. Ignorance is darkness. Nascence is darkness, isn't it? Godhead is light. That is quoted. Krishna Surya Samamaya Hondokar, Jahan Krishna Tahanai Maya Radhikar. Godhead is light, nascence is darkness. When there is Godhead, there is no nascence. So you must be worthy, your heart should be cleansed of all material contamination, also cleansed of all nascence. Should be purified. Then you will reflect. Then you will carry Lord Krishna. Develop Krishna prem, then you will be able to bind Krishna, the Supreme Sun. Then your moon will be reflected. Otherwise, how can you reflect? This is what, this sentence most important in Prabhupada's purport here. Prabhupada says, similarly, this verse was described that by illumination of all the moons, brightened by the reflection of Krishna, sun, or by the grace of all the devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the entire world will be illuminated despite the darkness of Kali Yuga. Only the devotees of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can dissipate the darkness of Kali Yuga, the ignorance of the population of this age. No one else can do so. So, therefore we, that all the devotees of the Krishna conscious movement may reflect the Supreme Sun and thus dissipate the darkness of the entire world. So this is your duty. This is the responsibility entrusted on you. The devotees of Krishna consciousness movement, founder Acharya, entrust this responsibility on you. Understand the gravity of the statement that Prabhupada said. Understand it, realize it. Yes, make yourself worthy and fit now. Understand. Without the mercy of such moons, such dear devotees of Chaitanya Chandra, the Supreme Sun, how can we be worthy? How can we reflect? That we should glorify. Jaya Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda.
Jaya Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda.
Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Jaya Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Jaya Jaya Sachi Sutta Gauranga Sundara.
Jaya Jaya Sachi Sutta Gauranga Sundara.
Jaya Nityananda Padma Vachira Kayara. Jaya Nityananda Padma Vachira Kayara. Jaya Jaya Sitanatho Advaita Gosai.
Jaya Jaya Sitanatha Advaita Gosai.
Jaro Kripate Pai Chaitanya Nitai.
Jaro Kripate Pai Chaitanya Nitai.
Jaya Jaya Godadhara Dimiro Sagara.
Jaya Jaya Madhadara
Gaurangiro Priyatama Pandita Prabhara. Gaurangiro Priyatama Sri Vaisivadana Jaya Gaura Priyatama.
Sriram Srivadana Jaya Gaura Priyatana.
Srivasa Pandita Jaya Jaya Bhakta Rana. Srivasa Pandita Jaya Jaya Bhakta Rana. Jaya Sri Pandita Dada Hara Prema Maya. Jaya দেব গুণীর আলয় জয়
প্রিয় দেব
জয় প্রেম ভক্তি দাতা পণ্ডিত শ্রীবাস
জয় প্রেম ভক্তি দাতা অমৃত শ্রীবাস
জয় বক্রেশ্বর শ্রী রারি হরিদাস জয় বক্রেশ্বর শ্রী বলো জয় সার্বভৌম কাশী মিশ্র রামানন্দ জয় সার্বভৌম কাশী জয় বাসুদেব ঘোষ মাধব মুকুন্দ জয় বাসুদেব ঘোষ জয় ধনঞ্জয় শ্রী স্বরূপ দামোদর জয়
ধনঞ্জয় শ্রী স্বরূপ দামোদর
জয় নর হরি গৌরী দাস কাশীশ্বর
জয় নর হরি গৌরী জয় কাশীশ্বর
জয় দাস গদাধর শ্রীধর বিজয় জয় দাস জয় শুক্লাম্বর ব্রহ্মচারী জয় শ্রী সঞ্জয়
জয়
জয় ভট্ট গোপাল শ্রীরূপ সনাতন
জয় ভক্ত গোপাল সনাতন
জয় রঘুনাথ দাস দুঃখীর জীবন
জয় রঘুনাথ দাস দুঃখীর জীবন
জয় শ্রী ভূগর্ভ লোক নাথ শ্রী রাঘব
জয় শ্রী
ভূগর্ভ লোক
মাতা শ্রী রাঘব
জয় রঘুনাথ ভট্ট আচার্য যাদব
জয়
রঘুনাথ ভট্ট
আচার্য যাদব
জয় জয় শ্রী জীবদে গুণের নিধান জয়
জয় শ্রীপদে গুণীর বিধান
জয় কবি রাজকৃষ্ণ দাস জয় দয়াবান জয় কবি রাজকৃষ্ণ দাস দয়াবান জয় জয় শ্রীনিবাস আচার্য ঠাকুর জয়
জয় শ্রীনিবাস আচার্য ঠাকুর
জয় নরোত্তম দার মহিমা প্রচুর
জয় নরোত্তম
জননী না করিহ গুণা এ তিন সংসার মধ্যে তুই আপদ সার এ তিন
সংসার মধ্যে তুই আপদ সার
ভাবিয়া দেখিল মনে গতি নাহি আরো
ভাবিয়া দেখিল মনে গতি নাই আর
সে পদ পাবার আসে খেল উঠে মনে
সে পদ পাবার আছে খেত উঠে মনে
ব্যাকুল বয়সদা পর এ কন্দনে
ডাকুল বয়সদা করে কন্দনে
সভাকার করণ রেণ শিরে রহু মর
সবাকার করণ রেণু শিরে রাহু মোরা
যাহার প্রভাবে নাশে অলি মহাঘোর
যারা প্রভাবের আছে কই মহাঘোর
জয় জয় গুরু গোসাই শরণ তোহার
জয় জয় গুরুসাই শরণ তোমার
যাহার কৃপাতে করি এ ভব সংসার হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরি হরি হরে রাম 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 হরি হরে হরে
কৃষ্ণ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে
হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরি হরি হরে রাম 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 হরি হরে
হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে
These are so many innumerable moons. Innumerable moons. Dear devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Vaishnaviro
বৃন্দাবন বাসী যাতা
মনা করি সবার চরণ
প্রথমে বন্দন করে সবার চরণ
নীলাচল ভাসি যত মহাপ্রভুর গণ
নীলাচল বাসী যত মহাপ্রভুর গণ
ভূমিতে পড়িয়া বন্ধ সবার চরণ
ভূমিতে পড়িয়া বন্ধ সবার চরণ
ছেন হবে নত মোর যত দাস হইয়াছে নত সবার চরণ বন্ধ বন্দে করিয়াস
সবার চরণ বন্দে করিয়াস
ব্রহ্মাণ্ড তারিতে শক্তি ধরে জনে জনে
ব্রহ্মাণ্ড কারিতে শক্তি হরে জনে জনে
এ বেদ পুরাণে গুণ গায়ে দেবা শুনে
এ বেদ পুরাণ গায়ে দেবা শুনে
মহাপ্রভুর গণ সব অতীত পাবন
মহাপ্রভুর পতিত পাবন
তাই লোভে মুই পাপি লইনু শরণ
তাই লোভে মুই পাপি লইলু শরণ
বন্দনা করিতে মই অত শক্তি ধরি বন্দনা
করিতে কত শক্তি হরি
তম বুদ্ধি দোষে মই দম্ভ মাত্র করি
তম বুদ্ধি বসমি মাত্র করি
তথাপি মুখের ভাগ্য মনের উল্লাস তথাপি
তথাপি মুখের বাক্য মনের উল্লাস
দোষ ক্ষমি বোধমে অর নিজ দাস
দোষক্ষমি বোধমি কর নিজ দাস
সর্ববাঞ্ছা সিদ্ধি জনবন্ধ ছুটে
সর্ববাঞ্ছা সিদ্ধি জনবন্ধ ছুটে
জগতে দুর্লভ হইয়া প্রেম ভক্তি লোকে
জগতে দুর্লভ হইয়া প্রেম ভক্তি মূর্তি
মনের বাসনা পূর্ণ অচিরাতে হয়
মনের বাসনা পূর্ণ অচিরাতে
দেবকী নন্দন দাস এই লোভে কয়ে
দেবকী নন্দন দাস এই লোভে কয়
হরে কৃষ্ণ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে
হরে কৃষ্ণ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে
This thing we can't hear. Then how can we become moon? Of Chaitanya Chandra, the chief moon or chief sun. Understand my language? Mahaprabhu gives prema, prema purusottama, nama mahavadanyaya, Krishna prema pradayate, Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya namne gaura. Hari Sankirtan, param vijayate, Sri Krishna Sankirtan. The Sri Krishna Sankirtan invites at the future church of the world. Yes. This is words of Sajjananda Bhaktivinoda Thakur. All classes of men, without distinction of caste, creed or clan, to the highest cultivation of the spirit, should come and join here. Mahajanabani. This church, it appears, will extend all over the world and take the place of all sectarian churches and exclude outsiders from the precincts of the mosque, church, or temple. You understand what he has said? This is Mahaprabhu's Prema Dharma, Param Vijayate, Sri Krishna. The gross materialist Westerners who were running after this material enjoyment, and they went up to the peak, couldn't get peace. So now they are attracted. This Mahaprabhu's Krishna Sankirtana, Param Vijayate, Sri Krishna Sankirtana. Yes. And they have given up all their material enjoyment, sense gratification. There is no happiness at all, no peace at all. They realized. So they came and joined. Paschatya Bhagavad Vidurita Hoi Bhartavarshara. My name will be chanted throughout the world, in all corners, all villages, all towns, all cities, all corners of the world. Yes, it has come true now. See the temple of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu now. Yes, established. Jai Sachinandan, they are adoring. How it is. Samadhi Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Mandir Sthana, so many places. Worship of Lord Jagannath, Rathayatra, Jai Sachinandan. So this is, therefore, here it is said, Prabhupada said, only the devotees of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can dissipate the darkness of Kali Yuga, the ignorance of the population of this age. Let Krishna appear. Then dissipate the darkness. Nations is darkness. Kali Yuga is darkness. Cover up nations. Yes. Wow, hypocrisy, cheating. All these things is out of nations only, this darkness. So make Krishna appear. Then you Gaura Bhaktas, devotees and followers of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, this is your duty. Make Krishna appear. Then all darkness, the nations will be completely dissipated. Therefore, this is the purport here. What is this? What Founder Acharya says, you understand it. Therefore we hope, we wish that all the devotees of Krishna conscious movement may reflect the Supreme Son and thus dissipate the darkness in the entire world. How will it be possible? Unless you make Krishna appear in your heart. Make your heart purified. Convert your heart into Vrindavan. Yes. Convert your heart into Vrindavan. Yes. If your heart will be completely purified of all material contaminations, no filth will be there. Through chanting Chetodarpanam Arjanam, through chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then your heart will be cleansed of all material dirt. If your chanting is pure, offenseless, then your heart will be purified. More pure, most pure, then more purified, most purified. Then Krishna Surya, the Supreme Son Krishna will appear. Brilliant, more brilliant, most brilliant. Then you Gaura Bhaktas, the devotees of Gauranga, will be able to dissipate the darkness prevailing over entire world. This darkness of Kali Yuga. Only Gaura Bhaktas can do it. And Prabhupada, the founder Acharya of ISKCON, cherishes this hope. We hope, I wish, that all the devotees of Krishna consciousness movement may reflect the Supreme Son and thus dissipate the darkness of the entire world. Do you follow? That means, how can you, unless you develop Krishna Prema, Mahaprabhu gives that Krishna Prema through chanting, Mukhya pathe jiva paye Krishna Prema dhana, niraparadhe naam loile paye Prema dhana. If your chanting is offenseless, chanting is pure, then you get Krishna Prema. And Krishna becomes bound up with that Prema, that love. And Mahaprabhu gives that love through chanting. So you go to Bhakta, follower of Mahaprabhu, should qualify yourself. Develop, get that Prema by the mercy of all these dear devotees of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Unlimited moons, unlimited moons. Therefore we are glorifying them, we are begging mercy. Without their mercy, how can we develop it? How can we get it? So how can we qualify ourselves to carry Krishna, or to bind Krishna in our heart with the rope of love? Then how can you be able to dissipate the darkness of the world? Understand my language? Yes, that is what Prabhupada wants. Yes. Also, all the members of ISKCON, Krishna conscious movement should be qualified to reflect the Supreme Son and thus dissipate the darkness entire world. If first you become complete Krishna conscious, develop complete Krishna consciousness, carry Krishna in your heart first. Let your heart be illuminated with the bright sunshine, the Supreme Son Krishna. Then you will reflect it. You become moon, then you will reflect it. Then you will be able to inculcate Krishna consciousness into each one of the world. Yes. Then this will be the jot, the entire world. The entire world will be illuminated despite the darkness of Kali Yuga. Only the devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can dissipate the darkness. Nobody else can. Nobody gives Krishna Prema. Nobody gives Krishna. Mahaprabhu gives Krishna Prema. Mahaprabhu gives Krishna. Yes. So Gaura Bhaktas, the devotees of Gaura Mahaprabhu, should do it, can do it. Others cannot do it. You follow? And this Kali Yuga, because name, holy name will give everything. Name is everything. Name is everything. Understand my language? Yes. Pure name is Krishna. If you can chant pure name, then you get Krishna. Then that's it. Nanama sadhusam jnanam, nanama sadhusam vratam, nanama sadhusam dhyanam, nanama sadhusam balam, nanama sadhusam tyago, nanama sadhusam samah, nanama sadhusam punyam, nanama sadhusi gati, nameva paramamuktir, nameva paramagati, nameva paramasantir, nameva paramastiti, nameva paramabhaktir, nameva paramamati, nameva paramapritir, nameva paramasmudhi, nameva karanam jantor, nameva prabhureva saha, nameva paramaradhyo, nameva paramaguru. Name is everything. Adi Purana. There is no knowledge, religious vow, meditation or any other attainment that is equal or superior to holy name. Neither renunciation, control of the mind, any meritorious deed, nor highest aspiration is equal to or higher than holy name. It is the name alone, holy name alone, that is the highest form of mukti. The holy name alone is the ultimate end in life. That is Krishna. Resort to the holy name alone yields the highest kind of peace. Where is peace? Where is peace? Here is peace. Yes. Resort to the holy name alone, the abiding welfare. Resort to the holy name is the highest devotion. Recourse to the holy name alone is the ultimate end of knowledge. Yes, Brahmanuja, Kapila Samad. One is chanting, tongue, utters holy name, Hare Krishna, pure, and he has acquired all Vedic knowledge. Yes, automatically, you know. Holy name is knowledge, Krishna is knowledge. That is what he said. Holy name alone is the ultimate end of knowledge. Attachment to the holy name alone, the highest love. Recollection of the holy name alone is the true remembrance. The holy name alone is the root cause of all beings, and the holy name alone is their sole master. The holy name alone is the highest object of worship, and the holy name alone highest amongst all spiritual masters. So, the name is everything. And Mahaprabhu gets that name, holy name, Krishna Nama, that is everything. So, get that Krishna, carry that Krishna. Yes. Be, what do you say? Be a worthy recipient, worthy recipient. It's given to you, be a worthy recipient to receive it. Unless you are worthy recipient, it will be given, you can receive it. You are not worthy. Do you understand? All right. You want Krishna? Are you prepared to take? কৃষ্ণ যে তোমার কৃষ্ণ দিতে পার, তোমার শক্তি আছে, আমি যে কাঙ্গাল কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি ধায় তো আছে praying to Vaishnava Thakur. Oh, Vaishnava Thakur, Krishna yours. Yes. তোমার হৃদয় সদা গোবিন্দ বিষ্ণু. Oh, Vaishnava Thakur, Krishna has taken rest in your heart because your heart is Vrindavan. Yes, you have bound up Krishna there in your heart, rope of love. Yes, only you can give me Krishna. I am Kangal. I am, what do you say, materially impoverished. Zero, nothing, I have nothing. Here, there's nothing here in material world. I want only Krishna. You understand? So, running behind Vaishnava, give me Krishna, give me Krishna. All right? You want Krishna? Can you take? I'll give you. Can you take? Can you receive it? Are you worthy recipient? You understand? Are you worthy recipient? So, the worthy recipient, then you can receive. The not worthy recipient, if it is given, you can receive it. Then, what will happen? You follow? One story is there. So, one crow was there, saw a bright Karela. You understand Karela?
Monkey.
Karela. You know, you eat it, some bit of tree. Karela? Yes, bright, looks yellow.
Yellow.
And seeds are red.
Red.
They develop greed. I should eat it. The tree said, hey, you have no right, I am master. He is right. How can you take it? Who is your master? The owner who has shown me. Go to him, ask him. He went to the master. Oh, in your gardens, like that, I want to eat. How can you take it? You grow it. I grow. I sowed the seed. Then fructified, then grew, and flowers came, then fruit came, now it ripened, that's mine. You grow. How can you grow? All right, cultivate the land first. Land should be cultivated properly, then seeds should be sown. So what is needed for cultivation? Plough is needed. Get a plough first. Then bullocks, then cultivate properly. So the seed, then it will grow. At last, it will bear fruit. The fruit will ripe. So where from can I get the plough? Go to the blacksmith. That iron thing, plough. He manufactures that. He'll give it. So he went to the blacksmith. I have developed greed for that. Karela, right, Karela. cooking and sheets are red. So I have to cultivate the land. Give me plow. You understand? I cultivate. Oh, you need? Do you need really? Can you take it? I will give you. Can you take it? Huh? Are you prepared? Are you worthy recipient? Huh? I will give you. Can you take it? Huh? Blacksmith is putting iron in his. Huh? What is that?
Fire.
Fire, bellow, red hot. Now it is red hot and hammering. That is making it shape. Now it is red hot. Now, are you prepared? Take it. Can you take? It's red hot, Baba, red hot. Touch will burn you. If you are worthy recipient, can you take it? Oh yes, he has greed. He has developed greed. I must. How can you take? Where? Put in my beak. Then he puts the red hot flux on his beak. Crow burn process. Finished. It's not worthy recipient. How can you receive? Understand my language? Huh? Understand? Yes, you want Krishna, running behind, Vaishnava Thakur, give me Krishna, give me Krishna, give me. Are you worthy? Are you prepared? I will give you. Can you receive? First, make yourself as worthy recipient to receive Krishna. It's not easy thing to receive Krishna, Baba. Yes, this is the condition of the crow. Crow's condition. The story is there. So, but Mahaprabhu is very, very merciful. Really, we have no qualification at all. We are not worthy recipients at all. We are very, very fallen, so degraded, low. Yes, lowest of the low. Yes. Adham Pati. But Mahaprabhu is so wonderfully merciful. He showers his mercy. He is Patita Pavan. He is Patita Pavan. He is deliverer of the Patitas. Without discrimination, indiscriminately, he distributes. Krishna Prema means he gives Krishna. Yes, Krishna Prema, because Krishna becomes bound up with that Prema, rope of love. You understand? And Mahaprabhu gives that. He gives, in other words, he gives Krishna. Gaura Bhaktas, those are dear Gaura Bhaktas, and they are giving Krishna. They have gotten Krishna, they have bound up Krishna in their heart, they have developed, those who have developed Krishna Prema, chanting pure name. By the mercy of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, and their devotees, so many moons. They are distributing. But you should first make yourself worthy, proper recipient, to receive that verse. Otherwise you'll lose it. You'll lose it. What is? What is? The condition. What is the condition? What is the principle? Tunanda Vishunichena Taroriva Sahisnuna Amani Namanadina Kirtaniya Sadahari. This is Mahaprabhu's teaching. Follow this. Adopt this formula. Follow this. Cultivate this. Yes. Kaviraj Goswami says, make a garland of this verse. Put around your neck and chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thinking oneself much humbler than a blade of grass lying on the street. Be as tolerant as tree, yes. Don't demand respect, pay respect to one and all. I am lowest of the low. Yesterday, we are discussing how Kaviraj Goswami saying that he is most fallen. Yes. The compiler of Chaitanya Charitamrita, he says, I am the most fallen. He thinks himself as the most fallen. Yes. Yes. Purisera kito hite amisera histo dadai madhai hoite amise papisto more nam jailoi tar hoi punya hai. Kaviraj Goswami says, he is Jela Paramahansa. I am worse than a worm in the stone. I am more sinful than Jagai and Madhai. Don't utter my name. You will lose all your auspiciousness. All your auspiciousness. So, this is the mood. This mood should be developed. Then there will be worthy recipient. Otherwise, you cannot worthy recipient. Yes. Vaishnava Thakur, your devotee Gaura Mahaprabhu, giving you Krishna. Allah, take Krishna, take Krishna. But the not worthy recipient, I can take it. I can have it. This should be needed. এই রূপ হইয়া যে কৃষ্ণ নাম লয়, কৃষ্ণ পদে প্রেম উপজয়. This developing this mood one chants Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. This is Premanama Sankirtana. This is Premanama. Name gives love, means Premanama Sankirtana. This is not ordinary Nam Sankirtana. Understand? The language, this is not ordinary Nama Sankirtana. This is Premanama Sankirtana. Because it's potent with prema. Potent. Do you understand? It gives prema that comes out from the mouth of Gaura. Gauram Khodgirna Nama. Gauram Khodgirna Nama. The name, holy name of Krishna coming out. Vomited by Gaura. Is vomited, like vomited. Eruption. Is volcanic eruption. What is inside that coming out? Inside is prema, so it coming out. Understand my language? That is name. Otherwise, what is name? Letters only coming out, no name. Yes, only letters. Namakshara bahira evate nam nahi hoy. Only letters are coming. Hare, Hare Krishna Rama. Only letters, but no name. I will be recipient. I will be recipient. Yes, you should understand. Kali Yuga. This Kali Yuga, special Kali Yuga. Because Kalam Dosa Nidhi Rajanasteka Mahangana Kirtana Deva Krishnasya Mukta Sangha Param. Kali Yuga, there are, this what you say, ills, nasty things. So many ills, like ocean-like. But one good quality is there. Kirtana Deva Krishnasya. Krishna Kirtan. That one good quality is there. If there will be Krishna Kirtan, all ills, all sinful reactions, yes, of Kali Yuga will be destroyed. That is the result of Parisankirtana, Krishna Sankirtana, Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam, Sarvatma Snapanam, Chetadarpanam Arjanam, Bhava Mahadavagni, Nirvapanam Sayya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam, Vidyavabhu Jivanam, Anandam Budhivardhanam Pradipade, Purnamrita Sadhanam, Sarvatma Snapanam, Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtana. Seven results, seven. What is that? The Sankirtan Yajna, the fire of the Sankirtan Yajna has 7 flames. 7 flames. Sapta Jiva. Understand? Understand my language? You understand my language? The Sankirtan Yajna, fire sacrifice, fire coming out, it has 7 flames. 7 flames. That will burn to ashes all ills. All ills. First Chetadarpanamarjanam, first flame. First flame is Chetadarpanamarjanam. It will please your dirty heart. Darts accumulated in the heart. Yes, from time immemorial, for lots of lives. Nasty things, so many anarthas. So many anarthas are there, like Himalayan mountain. It will burn to ashes. Finish. First flame. Chetadarpanamarjanam. Bhava Davagni Nirvapanam. then it will extinguish this forest fire. Do you understand? Three tapas, adhyatmika, adhidaivika, adhibhautika. Three types of material afflictions. Do you understand? It will extinguish. All are in the frying pan, isn't it? Being fried. Yes. Burning. Yeah. So, that fire will be extinguished. If you do Krishna Sankirtana, Sri Krishna Sankirtana, second flame. Bhava Mahadava. Then third flame, Sriya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam. The bright sun shine will be reflected in moon, that is very cooling. Cooling moon shine will come, rise, full moon, very cooling after the scorching heat of the sun. Third flame. Bhava Mahadava Nirpapanam Sriya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam. This is the Jivan, this is the life of Vidyavadhu. What is that? All knowledge. Vidya means knowledge, Vedic spiritual knowledge, not material knowledge. That is Badhu, that is like bridegroom. You understand? Badhu means bridegroom. I know, bride. Bride, not bridegroom, bride. Badhu, bride. You understand? Newly wedded bride has come to the father-in-law's house. How is she? How is she? How she walks, how she moves? She is bent. Hell is there. This Badhu is not half naked. It's not half naked. Whole body covered. The hell is on the head, bent. So, very silently moving. Yes. It's shameful. It's not shameless. That is just lady, just bride. Yes, that is chastity. You understand? The Vidyavadhu Jivana. This Krishna Sankirtana is the life of Vidyavadhu. That is just education. Nowadays there is no chastity in education. The Vidya material is unchaste. Yes, unchaste. Yes. Isn't it? Where is chastity? Where is submissiveness? Where is humility? Pride. Yes, pride. Heads are erect. Sleeveless. Yes, sleeveless. Garments, sleeveless garments. Galloping like horse mare. Such education. No chastity in education. Because there is no Krishna Sankirtan, Baba. If you do Krishna Sankirtan, then this will come. Chastity will come. Vidyavadhu. Vidyam tadati vinayam. This spiritual knowledge, your knowledge gives you humility. Then you will become humble. Vidya vina sampunne. Vidya vina sampunne brahmane kavi hastini sunichaiva sopagecha pandita samadarshina. That verse, vinaya. Vina means humility. There is no humility nowadays. Is there humility? No. Hum bada hai. Hey, hum bada hai. Yes. Then there is quarreling. Hum bada. Then quarreling. Yes. There is humility. Yeah? You understand? This is Krishna Sankirtana. That is Chetadarpana Marjanam Mahadavagni Papanam Sriya Kairavatanjika Vidyavadhu. Fourth plane. This is fourth plane. Vidyavadhu Jivanam Anandam Nurivardhanam. Then comes Ananda, transcendental blissfulness, the ocean will be increased. That ocean, ocean-like transcendental blissfulness will increase, Vardhana. Ever increasing, fifth plane. Namnudi Vardhanam, Prasipade Purnamrita Swadanam. Every step you will release Amruta, nectar. Every step you will release. Sixth plane. Sarvatma Snapanam. Then all the jivas, all the souls will be peaceful. Sarvatma, seventh plane. Seventh plane of the Krishna Sankirtana. Then what will the whole world will be? So blissful, so peaceful. They all will reflect, all souls, all jivas will reflect that effulgent sunshine emanating from Supreme Son, Krishna, and all will become moon. Yes. That's what the purport says. Despite the darkness of Kali Yuga, all the devotees of Mahaprabhu, the entire world will be by the grace of Mahaprabhu. Oh, the devotees of Mahaprabhu, this can dissipate the darkness of Kali Yuga, ignorance of the population of the saints. This is what. Understand me? This is what Prabhupada said. One sentence here. Then you explain that sentence. What is that? Chaitanya Charitamrita mentions, Sankirtana hoite hoi, papo, Sankirtana hoite papo, sansaro na suno, Sankirtana hoite papo, sansaro na Sita Sudhi Sarva Bhakti Sadhana Udgama Sita Sudhi Sarva Bhakti Sadhana Udgama Krishna Prema Udgama Prema Mruta Swadhana Krishna Prema Krishna Prapti Premamruto Samudri Majjana Krishna Prapti Premamruto Samudri Majjana. This is the result for world. Sankirtan hoite hoy papa sansara nasana. If you do Krishna Sankirtan, real Sankirtan, Premanama Sankirtan, understand my language? It's not ordinary name. Premanama Sankirtana, then all sinful reaction of Kali Yuga, all the affected people will be completely destroyed. Understand? Then Chitta Suddhi, the heart will be purified. Sarva Bhakti Sadhana Udgama, then will develop pure Krishna Bhakti. Krishna Premadgama, then love of Godhead, love of Krishna will arise. Prema Amrita Swadhana, then will release the nectar emanating from holy name. Prema Amrita, nectar of love, nectarian. You understand? That loving mellow you can release. Krishna Prapti, Prema Amrita, Samudra Majjana. Then you get Krishna, then you drown yourself in that ocean of Prema. Yes. If you can do real Krishna Sankirtan. And Mahaprabhu was doing, teaching, and his dear devotees will glorify in unlimited moons. Those dear devotees of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, they are all doing that thing. So, then dissipate. They only can dissipate that one Kali Yuga, the ignorance of population. No one else can do. With that for which that all the devotees of Krishna conscious movement may reflect this Supreme Son thus dissipate darkness in entire world. That means Prabhupada, Shankaracharya of ISKCON, cherishes this hope, desire that all the members of Krishna conscious movement should chant pure name, develop Krishna prema, to get Krishna, and they will be able to dissipate darkness in the whole world. Understand? That is what we wish. Now, time has come. Just think of, just, what you say, retrospect. Make self-analysis. How far you are doing this. Yes. As a member of this Krishna consciousness movement. Yes. Make self-analysis now. Retrospect now. How far you are giving pleasure to the Pandavacharya. Think of this thing now. Jagannath. Alright? Then how can you get his mercy? This time has come now for you. Do this. Thank you.